Embracing veganism, an effective step towards climate change prevention. Are you aware your food choices have a significant impact on our planet's health? A shift to a vegan lifestyle can help prevent climate change. Going vegan reduces greenhouse gas emissions. Livestock farming contributes massively, and by eliminating meat, we minimize this impact. Water consumption is another concern. Plant-based diets require considerably less water than meat production, preserving this precious resource. Land use is minimized through veganism. It takes less land to grow plants for human consumption than to raise livestock. Veganism fights deforestation. Massive forest areas are cleared to create grazing lands. By choosing plant-based food, we can help maintain these green lungs. Veganism promotes biodiversity. As we lessen the demand for single-crop farming, a variety of species flourish, contributing to a balanced ecosystem. Lastly, veganism reduces energy consumption. Plant farming demands less energy than meat production, cutting down the carbon footprint. Adopt veganism. It's an active step towards a sustainable future. Every meal counts in preventing climate change. Make your plate matter.